elephant comes to it. You see? See? Yeah, look at that elephant coming through.
Last time we were here, there was bunches of them up there.
Well, this is the men over on this side, and then the women were over there. They keep them separate.
Here, this thing is
Yes, they can.
Oh, they can actually go under. They can go underwater and use their trunk as a snorkel.
So how does it not like get out?
See, it's like Jurassic Park. See that fence? It's electrified.
But I mean, right here.
This is probably way too deep.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's really probably a deep hole right there. So it can't stand. Hey, you make some rhubarb?
Yeah, jump the fence real quick and get some.
See it down there.
Go back.
Okay, here it comes. Maybe it's gonna wash himself off. Maybe it'll press.
Oh, that would be a
Hey,
highlight.
we got our photos on. Lily, look, what do you think? Look at the
So much cooler
elephant.
than like a circus. Yeah, you see it?
Look, there it goes.
Straw over there.
You owe everyone here an apology.